Alright, let's create the subscriber functionality. So to get started with, let's create the ability to subscribe to a channel. We will check if the user is authenticated and if the user is currently on their own channel as well. So I'm going to create a div under the paragraph section here, and in here I'm going to check if the user is authenticated, and then we want to go ahead and close that condition. Alright, so in here we want to just check if the channel ID is not the same as the current authenticated user's ID, because we don't want the user to be able to subscribe to their own channel, which wouldn't really make sense. So after we created this condition here, we just need to go ahead and close this one. And it's not an end if, it's an end is it. It's not a. And then in here, we want to check if the user is currently subscribed to the channel or if they are currently not subscribed. So that's basically what we're checking in here. So let's head into YouTube.test, and I'm gonna go ahead and log in. And with that sorted, let me go ahead and go to a profile here. So this is my own profile. As you can see, there is nothing there to do. But if I go to Tom's profile, we get this error because we have made we named the function incorrectly. So we need to call it isSubscribe to user, and now it works. Perfect. So as you can see, now we need to create the toggle subscriber function that we created here. So inside this toggle subscriber function, we need to go to the channel, the PHP file, and in here let's create a function called toggle subscriber. This function is going to be a void function. And then all we really need to do in here is just say this channel subscribers toggle, and then we just need to pass through the currently authenticated user. So let's go ahead and click subscribe. And we need to just clear the database because we already created this record. So let's go ahead and delete this record. Refresh the page and click again. Perfect. So as you can see, we can now subscribe and unsubscribe to user pretty much instantaneously. And if I wanted to log out and log in as Tom, I could also go ahead into my profile, Matilda's profile, and subscribe there as well. So let's go ahead and check that out now, just so we can see that it's fully working. So I'm gonna go into channels, Matilda, and I'm gonna click subscribe, and it works perfectly fine. So that's basically how we can toggle between subscribers, and this is super easy but neat functionality to have, of course. So let me know if you have any questions as well. And outside of that, you could decide to call this unsubscribe, but I'm gonna leave it as subscribe if you want to, because I think it makes more sense to have a subscribe and subscribed, and then you can toggle it basically there. But that's up to you with how you want to phrase the wording. So thank you very much for watching the video. Please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.